can see, we are in the rural areas and we are with Oscar and my sister Tandi. We are moving with the president's mantra. As he said, we are not leaving any stone unturned. Right now we are in the rural areas. We are not choosing which city to go to or which province. We are going everywhere according to the president's order. We need to tell the future that the future is very bright. If they keep on taking these subsidies, who are going to be the leaders of tomorrow? So I'm here with my brother Oscar.
My Titi.
Please say something, because me, I talk too much.
You talk too much, but the president said zero tolerance on drugs.
Yes.
Zero tolerance on drugs.
Yes.
Saka sekutara kwaita my Titi, tikufamba nzvimbo dzakasiyana siyana. Dingetira redu ngere kutaseko, ngere kubatsira my youths kuti achinje unhu hwavo. Vasiye zvinodhaka. Manzwa my Titi vachitaura.
Hanzi nyika inovakwa nevene vayo. Vene vayo ndo vana ivava vari kutora ma-substances. Saka tiri kutry by all means sevanhu vakuru. Of course, we are incarcerated, but we are also learning as we are in prison. We are there to tell them kuti vasaite sezvatave now. We are behind bars. We don't enjoy the situation.
Definitely.
But they say we learn from our mistakes. We don't want them to make the same mistakes that we made. As you can see, some of us here are drug addicts. Well, I'm not a drug addict as such, but we have them here. And if you saw the state they were in when they came in prison, it was not good. So we are trying to empower these children. Even if you look at Oscar, he's holding an artifact that he made. We want to empower them, to tell them drug is not the only way to go. And it's not the fastest way to make money. You can make money through work. You can make money using your hands. We are sewing, we are making bags, we are doing a lot of things. We have also learned that the correctional service is not only there to punish, but it's there to rehabilitate, to build, to rebuild. It is also there to make you discover what you never knew you had. Like myself, I never knew that I'm good in making bags. I was doing other businesses, but now I have a new line of business. So I'm very proud and I'm thankful and grateful to Mr. Chiwopu, Mkuru Majeri, Marguita Shakanaka, as now it is a correctional service. What do you think, Oscar?
You know what? And we also thank SMTV for your support in publicizing these events which are being done by the Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Services. We are being corrected, we are being rehabilitated. And so when we come out, we'll be definitely ambassadors of the prison, ambassadors of the youth, ambassadors of the population, as we continue with that zero tolerance on drugs.
Thank you.